In his book, Everything Was Forever Until It Was No More, anthropologist Alexei Yurchak wrote about an interesting puzzle. How was it, he asked, that Soviet citizens would insist that communism was forever in the 1980s, and then just a few years later find its collapse totally unsurprising? Moments of transition are often experienced through such fundamental disorientations of a crusty political order whose demise is both unthinkable and unsurprising. Like Soviet communism, so too the British Empire. Or, in a different register but equally important, think about smoking in bars around the world. Habits of power seem like they're eternal and immutable till they are no more. Today, fossil fuel industries tell you they're here forever. This is a story they want you to believe, for the story of their immense power is key to maintaining it. Yet, oil companies are more brittle than they appear. Their collapse would be ordinary and totally unsurprising. There are signs of revolution everywhere. Look around Penn. Fossil-free Penn is demanding Penn divest from fossil fuels. Yeah. On Friday, they will join the Sunrise Movement and workers and others in downtown Philadelphia to strike for their future. Because, as Greta Thunberg points out, and I quote, "There is no point studying for a future when no one is doing anything to save that future." Look around the city. Institutional investors warn that fossil fuel industries pose a financial risk. Toxic refineries are literally falling apart, causing serious impacts on public health. Citizens that fully thrive are leading the way to demand the right to breathe, for the PES refinery to stay closed, and for the city that has been built on oil to transition to a green, just economy. Oil is not forever. Our future demands it be put to rest, and we must do everything to make climate justice central to the world that comes next. Thank you.